Here I am at the Wolseley Public Library, and we are trying out one of the Southeast Regional Library Makerspace Kits, and it's called the Theremini Kit. And it is pretty cool. Used it in a classroom visit today, and we are setting it up. We have 3 different mini kits, and we're going to be having them set up around the library for all of our patrons to try out. And our after school program kids, I think, are going to be absolutely delighted. And with me, I have Troy Douglas, who is going to show us how he has found this, just trying it out today for the first time. So here we go.
You've got volume control on one side. Close is quiet. High is louder.
So as you can see, this kit's pretty cool, and if you're interested, come on down to the Wolseley Public Library and try it out for yourself. Thanks.